नहमदुहु व नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़अऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. In previous classes you have discussed the subjective case, but today we want to discuss the objective case of pronoun. So subjective case and objective case both are very important, and they mostly used in passive voice, active voice, as well as it will use in direct, indirect also. So it is your duty to highly focus on this lecture and learn these subjective and objective case. Now we come to the board and discuss these things. First come to subjective case. And objective case. So first person singular is called I. First person plural, this is called we, and subjective case. Second person singular, come you. Second person plural, come you. Third person singular, he, she, it. Third person plural, they. Already in previous classes this subjective case we have done, but again we are revising these things. First person singular, there is we, I and we. I is the singular and we is the plural. And second person singular, there is you, and second person plural, there is you again. Third person singular, there he, she, it come, and third person plural, there they come. But in objective case, instead of I, me will come. Then us, instead of we will come, and you come. And subjective case also you come. Here instead of he, him come. She, her come. And it come. They come. In objective case, them. So now you are clear. Person or sex, first person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural. And subjective case are I first person singular, we first person plural, you first person singular, you first person plural, he, she, it third person singular, and they third person plural. But in objective case, there me as first person singular and us first person plural. Again you come second person singular, and then second person plural, there you come in objective case. In objective case, there him, her, it come. and objective case, there them come. So now you are clear. When we do something, for example, passive voice, active voice, so we highly change subjective case into objective case. And if you learn these things by heart, automatically in passive voice or in active voice, there will be no confusion, no difficulty to you. So this is your duty to cover the subjective case and objective case. Already I have discussed the subjective case, they have six person. First person singular, first person plural, second person singular, second person plural, third person singular, third person plural. So now we come to another side, passive voice and active voice. Because in passive voice we write the subject and in active voice we change the subject into object. So passive voice, the tense belong to present indefinite tense. I write a letter. We write letters. You write a letter. You write a letter. Again you come. And second person, plural and singular both are the same. Letters. He writes a letter. She writes a letter. They write letters. These are the passive voice. These are the passive sentence. Now we convert these passive sentence into active sentence. Active voice. I write a letter. A letter is written by me. Letters are written by us. You write a letter. A letter is written by you. Similarly, the other sentence also came to the same, but there instead of S come R because there are letters. He writes a letter. A letter is written by him. A letter is written by him. A letter is written by her. So there is, they write letters. Letters are written by them. So letters are written by them. So now you are clear. There we have changed passive voice into active voice. I write a letter is written by me. We write letters, letters are written by us. You write a letter is written by you. You write a letter, letters are written by you. He writes a letter is written by him. She writes a letter is written by her. They write letters are written by them. Now you are clear that how we convert passive voice into active voice. There we have changed and put the subjective case on the objective places. In objective part we have put on the subjective case. So there some changes of the pronoun occur. Here for example in the first I but change into me, we change into us, you change into you change into you, he, she, it change into him, her and it, they into them. Now you are clear that what is the subjective case and what is the objective case and how subjective case change into objective case and the conversion of passive voice to active voice. These are very important and it is the duty of every student to know the passive voice and active voice, as well as for passive voice, active voice learning. It is necessary for you to know the subjective case and objective case. Again, I am revising these things. Once again, first person singular, in subjective this is I, but in objective this is me. Second person plural, and subjective case there we, and objective case there us. Second person singular there you, in objective case there you are, and objective case. Second person plural, and subjective case there you, and objective case there you. And third person singular there he, she, it come, but in objective case him, her, it come. Third person plural there they come in subjective case and them come in objective case. Now you are clear. Please share this video to your colleagues and also subscribe to this channel, because when we prepare another video, so automatically come to you and you read it and you get the knowledge from these videos. Sometimes we also write the poem in Pashto or Urdu or English, so also enjoy this poem. Wassalam.